Are RF Chinese connectors that bad? To try to answer this question, I assembled these two sets here, each one with two connectors soldered to the ends of about 5 centimeters of RG405 cable. On the left, we have the Chinese connectors rated for 3 gigahertz and costing about $2 each. And on the right, two Amphenol connectors rated for 18 gigahertz and costing $20 each. I started measuring the samples with a vector network analyzer, S11 and S21, immediately after assembling the cables, and then made 5 insertions with a male connector on each side and measured again, and again after doing 5 more insertions. For the S11 parameter, it was used an N50 termination load from mini circuits rated for 18 gigahertz. In the sequence, I will show the measurements, the range being 1 to 18 gigahertz, and I will leave to you the answer for the question in the beginning of the video. Please bear in mind that the results apply just for this specific type of connector.